Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold, keep holding, and once you feel a smooth vibration and also see Galaxy logo, you can remove fingers from both buttons and wait till your Samsung is rebooted. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.